The early years, a star is born in Madras. A.R. Rahman's story is one of immense talent and unwavering determination. He was born as Dilip Kumar in Madras, a city known for its rich musical heritage. From a young age, music flowed through his veins. His father, R.K. Shekhar, was a film score composer. He exposed young Dilip to the world of melodies and instruments. Tragedy struck early when Dilip was just 9 years old. His father passed away. This left a void in his life. The loss of his father cast a shadow over his childhood. But it also ignited a spark within him. He realized the power of music. It could transcend pain and sorrow. It could uplift and heal. He embraced music as his solace. It became his companion in difficult times. He was determined to honor his father's legacy. He would carry forward the torch of music. Shouldering responsibilities, music as a lifeline. Life took a turn for young Dilip and his family. His father's passing brought financial struggles. At the tender age of 11, he began shouldering responsibilities. He started playing instruments for his father's colleagues. He even rented out his father's musical equipment. Every note he played, every rupee he earned, was a testament to his resilience. Music wasn't just a passion, it was a lifeline. He became proficient in various instruments, including the piano, guitar, and drums. He joined a local band. He found joy in performing at weddings and gatherings. He also began composing jingles for advertisements. This honed his skills and introduced him to the world of recording studios. He was slowly but surely finding his voice. Finding his feet, from Jingles to the silver screen. Dilip Kumar was making a name for himself in the Madras music scene. His talent was undeniable. He was soon composing jingles for some of India's biggest brands. His melodies were catchy and innovative. They caught the attention of filmmakers. His first break came with the Malayalam film Yoda in 1992. He composed the background score for the film. The same year he also worked on Mani Ratnam's Tamil film Roja. He did not know then that Roja would change his destiny forever. A spiritual awakening embracing Islam and its melodies. Around the time he started his musical journey, Dilip Kumar embarked on a spiritual quest. He found solace in Islam. He converted to the faith and changed his name to A.R.Rahuman, later shortened to A.R.Rahuman. His newfound faith deeply influenced his music. It brought a sense of peace and serenity to his compositions. Rahman's music began to reflect his spiritual awakening. His melodies became infused with a sense of Sufism. It was a blend of traditional Indian sounds with Western musical arrangements. His music touched the soul. It transcended religious and cultural boundaries. It spoke a universal language of love, peace, and harmony. Section 5, Roja, the dawn of a musical revolution. In 1992, Roja hit the screens. The film was a critical and commercial success, but it was Rahman's music that stole the show. His soundtrack was fresh, vibrant, and unlike anything Indian cinema had witnessed before. It was a fusion of traditional Indian music with Western elements. He used electronic instruments and synthesizers alongside traditional Indian instruments. The songs became instant chartbusters. The youth of India found a new voice in Rahman's music. From Choti Si Asha to Bharathambe, each song was a masterpiece. The soundtrack of Roja won Rahman his first National Film Award for Best Music Direction at the age of 26. This was a remarkable achievement. It marked the beginning of a glorious musical journey. Section 6. Conquering Indian Cinema, a legacy of unforgettable scores. Roja catapulted A.R. Rahman into the limelight. He became the most sought-after music composer in India. Directors and producers lined up to work with him. He had a unique ability to understand the soul of a film. His music enhanced the narrative and touched the hearts of audiences. He delivered one-hit soundtrack after another. Bombay in 1995, Rangila in 1995, Dil Se in 1998, Tal in 1999, Lagan in 2001, Swades in 2004, Jodha Akbar in 2008. The list goes on. Each film cemented his position as the maestro of Indian cinema. He brought international recognition to Indian film music. Section 7. Global recognition, from Slumdog Millionaire to international acclaim. A.R. Rahman's music transcended geographical boundaries. His work in the 2008 British film Slumdog Millionaire brought him global acclaim. The film, directed by Danny Boyle, was a global phenomenon. Rahman's soundtrack once again played a pivotal role in its success. The soundtrack was a beautiful blend of Indian folk melodies and Western rhythms. Jai Ho became an international anthem. Rahman won numerous awards for Slumdog Millionaire, including 2 Academy Awards, a Golden Globe Award, and a BAFTA Award. He made history as the first Indian to win 2 Oscars in a single night. The world recognized the genius of A.R. Rahman. Section 8. A musical journey unbound, bridging Bollywood and Hollywood. The success of Slumdog Millionaire opened doors to Hollywood for Rahman. He went on to compose music for films like 127 Hours in 2010, The 100-Foot Journey in 2014, and Pele Birth of a Legend in 2016. He seamlessly moved between composing for Indian films and international projects. His music continued to enchant audiences worldwide. He collaborated with renowned international artists. He performed at prestigious venues including the Hollywood Bowl and the Wembley Stadium. Rahman became a true global ambassador of Indian music. Section 9. Beyond the silver screen, nurturing talent and enchanting audiences. A.R. Rahman's contributions to music extend beyond films. He established the KM Music Conservatory in Chennai. This is a state-of-the-art institution that provides world-class music education. He wanted to nurture young talent and give back to the music community. He has mentored and supported numerous aspiring musicians. Rahman is also a highly successful live performer. His concerts are legendary. They are a visual and auditory spectacle. He takes his audiences on a musical journey. He blends technology and tradition to create a magical experience. His music continues to inspire millions worldwide. Section 10. The Mozart of Madras. A legacy of inspiration and innovation. A.R. Rahman's journey from Madras to the world stage is truly inspirational. He has received numerous awards and accolades for his contributions to music. He has been honored with the Padma Bhushan, India's 3rd highest civilian award. He is a 6-time National Film Award winner. He has also received honorary doctorates from prestigious universities around the world. But beyond the awards and recognition, it is his music that truly defines his legacy. He is known as the Mozart of Madras. He is a true icon. He has revolutionized Indian film music. He has taken it to new heights. His music continues to inspire and uplift generations. He is a true legend of our time.